Hey guys, welcome to another Lowland Kids Sew Along. Today we are making the new Lowland Kids retro set. I am so excited that she's finally releasing this pattern, and I'm here to show you how to put it all together. This pattern consists of pants and a shirt option as well. So this is what you're going to need for the shirt option. It consists of 4 sleeves if you're doing the binding piece. So it's like you cut the sleeve in half. If you're not doing the binding off for the sleeves, you're just going to need 2 sleeves. And then you're going to need your neckband, along with your waistband, your front and back pieces, and also your cuffs and your binding for the sleeves as well. So let's get started on making the shirt. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our front piece or our back piece, and we're going to attach the sleeve like you would normally, but you're just one piece of your sleeve. So you're going to clip it like you see me do here, and then you're going to do that to both sides. And make sure it's right sides together, and you're going to serge that edge right there. Alright, so it's going to look something like this once we have our sleeves on both our front and back pieces. And now we are going to move on to the next step. Alright, let's take our binding piece for the t-shirt, and we're going to place it right sides together along the shoulder all the way down to the sleeve for both the left and the right side. Alright, we're now going to take the back piece and we're going to place it on top of the front piece, right sides together, and we're going to sandwich the binding piece with the front and the back of the sweatshirt together like you see me do here. We're going to just clip everything nice and neat and serge around that binding edge. And it's going to look something like this. Okay, so this right here is our front and this is our back. And we're going to fold the binding in the middle. We're going to fold it in half, and our seam needs to be towards facing the front. So we're going to fold the binding in half, and you can also iron this to make it nice and neat. I didn't and just clipped it all, but definitely helps to iron it. Like I said, make sure the seam is facing the front of the sweatshirt. Once we are done clipping it, we are going to make sure that we fold over that half that we did. We're going to fold it over just like this towards the front, and we're going to go ahead and cover stitch that or twin needle it. Alright, once we are done with the binding, it gets easier. We're just going to close up the sleeves on the sweatshirt just like we would normally. Just down the sides of the sleeve all the way down to the bottom. Alright, now we're just going to add the cuffs and the waistband just like we would add it to any other sweatshirt. And we are done with the sweatshirt, and don't forget your neck band as well. Let's move on to the pants version. Alright, we're going to start off with our front piece of our pants, and we're going to add the binding down the side of it, right sides together. We're then going to take the corresponding back piece to it and put it on top, and we are going to serge that, and after that it's going to look something like this. Remember how we did the sweatshirt piece? We're going to do the same thing to the pants piece, except that the seam for the pants is going to be facing the back piece, and we're going to fold it in half towards the back. And then you're going to pin it or iron it, and then fold again towards the back and cover stitch it. Lay your pants pieces right sides together and sew the curved crotch and also the inseam, the middle inseam. Then add your cuffs, and you will add your elastic, and you are done. This is how cute it turns out. I hope you've enjoyed this so long. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to ask away. Thanks for watching.